to another video. Today we have new tools, new ratchets that just dropped in at the Milwaukee website. Big shout out to Stan the Man for helping us out. He actually mentioned this and we're making a video on this, so appreciate it. Big shout out to you, Stan the Man. So we got the M12 Fuel 1/4 of an inch high speed ratchet 2566-20, and then we have the M12 3/8 high speed ratchet 2567-20. So this is the 3/8, this is the 1/4 of an inch. We also do have some 3/8 high speed ratchet taw shift knob assemblies. So they got parts for them too, and then they got a boot here. This is a new one too for the 1/4, for the 4th and the 3/8 ratchet. So we got a boot now for those two. But yeah, guys, definitely some new ones. Let's check out the video.
The speed of the ratchet benefits the job because the faster you get the job done, you can move on to the next one.
I'm able to pull out more fasteners than I can even count in a short period of time. Quite frankly, surprised me compared to pneumatic tools I've used in the past.
I've honestly never had another ratchet be as quick as removing a fastener. Say about 30 to 40% faster compared to electric ratchets that I've used in the past.
With the small size of the head and ratchet, I can get into tight spaces where I may not be able to turn the ratchet with my hand, where I can stick that in there, hit the button, and you can finish off your job.
It's really narrow. You can get into some tight spaces.
Dramatically speeds things up. I can get in there, not having to worry about an air hose to trip it up. The high-speed ratchet definitely is a heavy-duty walkie tool.
The tool is pretty durable. I've taken off some pretty tight bolts with it. Barely flexed. It was pretty good.
It's a tool you do not have to baby. You don't have to worry about it breaking. At the end of the day, you don't have to replace it.
The LED light, you could get to dark areas. It's really helpful to guide you.
The benefit of having a variable speed ratchet is the control that I have when I'm taking off the fastener. I don't have to go full speed towards the end. I can grab it with my hand and go very slow.
Beats pretty much most of my air ratchets in size and convenience and power.
This is my first cordless. It beats dragging an air hose around with you, not to mention the fact that it's a very durable tool. I absolutely love it.
Yes, Milwaukee's actually they are changing the game here. They're improving and bringing out new tools for the mechanic. Oh, also, let's see here, more access to. So, the 3/8 high-speed ratchet parts, latest edition, best in class lineup ratchets. This Milwaukee cordless ratchet features fastest speed while removing fasteners. The most compact head size in its class gives you more access to tight spaces. Steel yoke housing, power state brushless motor delivers superior durability that you expect from Milwaukee. M12 fuel high speed ratchets are ideal for any technician tool chest, allowing you to do more productively than any other battery powered ratchet. And as you guys see here, we got the fastest cordless ratchet, most compact head size, greater durability. Click number for details. It says Milwaukee game-changing RedLink Plus intelligence hardware, software for the most advanced system, cordless power to electronics. RedLink Plus intelligence integrates full circle communication between tool, battery, and chamber. RedLink Plus intelligence technology other power tools crave, but Milwaukee provides. Yeah, they got some great tools. Red lithium batteries last longer, think faster, and work harder than other professional lithium batteries built to withstand the harsh environment. Red lithium delivers more, and over the course of your day, your battery life. So yeah, got design engineer for Milwaukee Power states the best in class brushless motor that works harder and lives longer than all leading components. Power state brushless was ideal for professional tradesmen because of deliberate application speed, torque, smaller size. Most compact head size, smallest cordless Ratchet head size, recessed head. Yeah, it's up to 35% faster than all the cordless competitor. Faster application to increase productively. Delivers 450 RPM. Greater durability, over 2 times longer than other brushed tool ratchets. Premium metal components. Yeah, guys. Well, thank you very much. That's what's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.